Ever pondered how a company's surroundings can affect its performance and success? Welcome to the intriguing world of the business environment. This dynamic and complex sphere comprises a myriad of factors that directly shape a company's operations and performance. Picture it as a vast ecosystem, teeming with internal elements such as a company's mission, vision, and resources. But that's just half the story. The business environment also brims with external factors, from the ever-shifting economic landscape to the political, social, and technological terrains, not forgetting the environmental and legal arenas. These factors, though outside a company's control, can significantly impact its operations and performance. In essence, the business environment is like a game of chess, where a company must make strategic moves considering both its own capabilities and the dynamics of the external world. So, understanding the business environment is crucial to a company's success, but why exactly is it so important? To thrive in the business world, a company must not only survive but adapt to the changing environment. Businesses exist in a dynamic world, constantly influenced by various internal and external factors. These factors form what we call the business environment. This environment is a complex, ever-evolving entity, and its importance in shaping a company's success cannot be overstated. Consider this. A business operating in a stable, predictable economic environment is more likely to flourish than one battling the uncertainties of a volatile economy. Why? Stability allows businesses to plan, predict, strategize, and grow. On the other hand, unpredictability can lead to hesitation, missed opportunities, and potential setbacks. But it's not just about surviving in a stable environment. It's also about adapting to changes. Economic landscapes shift, political climates fluctuate, social trends evolve, and technology advances at a breathtaking pace. These changes can be daunting, but they also present opportunities. A new technological breakthrough, for instance, might revolutionize an industry, creating a chance for innovative companies to leapfrog competition. It's like a game of chess. The most successful players aren't just reacting to their opponents' moves. They're anticipating them, planning their strategies, and adapting to the changing game board. In the business world, the ability to anticipate and adapt to changes in the business environment is a key ingredient for long-term success. For example, consider how social changes, like shifting demographics or evolving consumer trends, might affect an organization. A growing aging population could lead to increased demand for healthcare products and services. A company that anticipates this change and adapts its product offerings and marketing strategies accordingly positions itself for growth and success. In essence, the business environment shapes the opportunities and threats that a company may face. It's like the weather, influencing the conditions in which the business operates. Just as a seasoned sailor understands the importance of tracking weather patterns, successful businesses recognize the importance of understanding and responding to their business environment. Now that we understand why the business environment is so vital, let's delve into what it consists of. Picture a company as an organism. It has internal elements that it can control and shape. This is what is known as the internal business environment, a crucial component of the overall business environment. The internal business environment is the company's personal playground. It's where the company's core elements live and breathe. These elements include the company's mission, resources, and culture, among others. They are the backbone of the company, the elements that define its identity and guide its actions. Let's start with the company's mission. This is the company's raison d'être, its purpose, its reason for being. It's what drives the company's actions and decisions. It's what motivates its employees and inspires its leaders. It's the compass that guides the company through the choppy waters of the business environment. Next, we have the company's resources. These include physical resources like buildings and machinery, financial resources like cash and investments, human resources like employees and managers, and intangible resources like brand reputation and intellectual property. These resources are the company's tools, the means by which it achieves its mission. Then we have the company's culture. This is the company's personality, its character, its ethos. It's the values and beliefs that guide the company's actions and decisions. It's the glue that binds the company's employees together, the spirit that animates the company's operations. These elements of the internal business environment are within the company's control. The company can shape its mission, manage its resources, and cultivate its culture. It can control its destiny to a certain extent, charting its course in the business environment. But remember, the internal business environment is just one side of the coin. The other side is the external business environment, the wild and unpredictable world outside the company's walls. This is where the company's adaptability and resilience are truly tested. While a company can control its internal environment, external factors are a different ballgame. Beyond the company's walls lies a world teeming with factors that can significantly affect its performance. This is the external business environment, a swirling vortex of variables that, while beyond a company's control, can profoundly impact its operations and success. First, let's delve into economic factors. The economy's pulse is a powerful indicator of a company's health. A thriving economy suggests increased consumer spending, which can boost a company's sales. However, when the economy stumbles, perhaps due to a recession or fluctuating market trends, consumer spending can shrink, impacting a company's profitability. Next, we have political factors. The political landscape can shape the rules of the game. A change in government or the introduction of new regulations can alter a company's operating costs, sometimes requiring significant adjustments. For instance, new environmental regulations might necessitate investment in cleaner technologies or changes in production processes. Social factors also play a significant role. The society in which a company operates, its demographics, and evolving consumer trends all influence a company's product offerings and marketing strategies. A shift in social trends, like an aging population, could lead to increased demand for certain products or services. Technological factors, meanwhile, represent both a challenge and an opportunity. Technological advancements can revolutionize industries, spawning new products and services, and altering how existing ones are produced and delivered. The rise of e-commerce, for instance, has dramatically reshaped the retail landscape. The environmental landscape, too, holds sway over a company's operations. Climate change, resource scarcity, and evolving societal attitudes towards environmental sustainability can all affect a company's costs and practices. A company relying heavily on natural resources might find its operations impacted by environmental shifts. Lastly, we have legal factors. Laws and regulations, from employment laws to antitrust regulations, can shape a company's operations and bottom line. For example, a company operating across multiple countries might have to navigate a complex tapestry of different legal systems. External factors can seem overwhelming, but understanding them can help a company navigate through challenges. By staying attuned to these elements, a company can anticipate changes, adapt, and continue to thrive in the fluctuating world of business. So how do these factors play out in the real world? Let's take a look at some real-life scenarios. Economic factors, for instance, have a profound impact on businesses. Imagine a sudden economic downturn, a recession perhaps. This can drastically decrease consumer spending, leading to a decline in demand for goods and services. This chain reaction can negatively affect a company's sales and profitability. Now let's think about political factors. Changes in the political landscape, such as a shift in government or the implementation of new regulations, can significantly impact a company's operations. Take, for instance, a new environmental regulation. This could require a company to invest in new equipment or alter its production processes, which can increase the operational costs. Social factors also play a critical role. Changes in demographics or emerging consumer trends can influence a company's product offerings and marketing strategies. Say, there is an increasing aging population. This could lead to a surge in demand for healthcare products and services, prompting healthcare companies to adjust their offerings accordingly. Technological advancements can be both a blessing and a curse. On one hand, they can lead to new innovative products and services, and even revolutionize the way existing products and services are produced and delivered. Take the rise of e-commerce, for example. It has completely transformed the retail industry. But on the other hand, companies that fail to adapt to these technological changes can quickly find themselves being left behind. Environmental factors like climate change and resource availability can also impact a company's operations. A company that heavily relies on natural resources, for instance, may face operational challenges due to changes in climate or depletion of resources. Finally, legal factors, such as changes in employment laws and antitrust laws, can influence a company's operations and costs. Companies operating in multiple countries, for instance, need to be aware of and comply with the different laws and regulations in each of those countries. As we've seen, the business environment can make or break a company. It's not just about surviving, but also about adapting and thriving. Navigating the business environment may feel like sailing in stormy seas, but with understanding and adaptability, companies can chart a successful course. We've delved into the intricate realm of the business environment, exploring its many facets and their impacts on a company's operations and performance. We've seen how internal factors, such as a company's mission, vision, and resources, can be harnessed, shaped, and managed to align with the company's strategic goals. Equally, we've acknowledged the immense influence of external factors, from economic fluctuations to political changes, social trends, technological advances, environmental issues, and legal landscapes. These are forces that lie outside the direct control of a company, yet they can profoundly shape its trajectory. Our journey has underscored one fundamental truth: the importance of adaptability. To navigate the ever-evolving business landscape, companies need to remain agile, ready to respond to changes, and seize emerging opportunities. Remember, understanding the business environment is not just about identifying challenges, but also about uncovering opportunities. The key lies in adaptability and resilience.